What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Leaders by Trippie-Redd. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll double disco backflip punt you into outer space. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and you do need a capo on the first fret. If you want a link for a free capo, check the video description, as well as if you want the guitar tab for this, that will be there as well. So if you need either of those, jump into the video description once you get done, they'll be there for you. We're gonna start with your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the low E, and you're gonna put your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the G string. And you're picking low E, D, G, D, G, D, G, D, G, slide to 4, slide back to 2, pull off to open. Then put your index finger on the 2nd fret of the A string. Put your middle finger back, or keep your middle finger back on the 2nd fret of the G string, and you're gonna pick the same way, just starting with the A instead of your low E. Then you're gonna go middle finger 3rd fret of the A, index finger 2nd fret of the D, and you're gonna pick, that's A, D, G. Then 5 on A, and then put your pinky finger on the 4th fret on A and strum A, D, and G. And sorry, 5th fret on G, and then 4th fret on G and strum. So A, D, G, G, A, D, and G together, and then A, D, G, 5, and 4. So it looks like. And then all that repeats, so slowly it looks like. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.